These are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides, and on the sides you see dots. These dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to help us represent number. And in this case, we're going to be thinking the place value of each of the digits in the number. Now for this activity that I'm going to do with a partner, we're going to flip all of the dominoes over. And what each of us will do is we will build a 6-digit number, try to make it as great as we can, and then we're going to compare our two numbers. So I'm going to take this domino, I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to take this one. So my goal is to create the greatest number. So I have 9 here, so I definitely want that one first. This one is 7 and 1, and 6 and 6. So what I've done is I've created a 6-digit number. I'm going to put it on the place value chart. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So on my place value chart, I already have my 9 in 100,000s, 5 in 10,000s, 7 in thousands, 1 in hundreds, 6 in tens, 6 in ones. And I read this number this way, 957,166. Okay, it's my partner's turn. So my partner flips over this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, so they're trying to build the greatest number they can. Well, 7 is the greatest of these, then 5, and then 3. So here's their number. So again, they're going to write it in place value chart, and they have their own chart here. So here's my 100,000s, 7, 3, 5, 3, 3, and 1. And my partner would read this number this way, 735,331. We would compare them, and we've decided that we're trying to have the greatest number. So I know that I definitely have the greatest number, actually by more than 200,000. So that means I would get all of the dominoes. Now we would choose another set of dominoes, and we can play again. So this is one way in which we can use dominoes to help us represent and compare numbers.